At Innovator Project Training Institute, we have a rich experience of over 13 years of project training in streams like mechanical, mechatronics, automobile, robotics, production, electrical and electronics and communication, instrumentation, aeronautical, and marine engineering platforms. The primary objective of Innovator Project Center is to listen to the innovative ideas and opinions of the students, then train them towards the end to fulfill their dreams. The concept of making students' dreams come true makes us special from other institutions. We have all the facilities like manufacturing and fabrication of equipment handled in-house by experienced faculty. We have dedicated faculty who can teach the students from basics to give an in-depth knowledge of their project. Our institution has a factory setup nearby where students get to know the experience of the industry which helps them in the later. The students also get trained in the equipment that are not used for their projects. We have a CNC center for precise and accurate manufacturing and it is located in Chinnambara. We have a parking facility for our customers outside our training center. We have a big successful list of projects that are done by our students who got trained by our faculty. All these